Hi, what's up, Anchor coin holder? So what's going on? Today video is very important for all Anchor coin holder because my brother, the Anchor coin price in last 7 days minus 4.6% decrease now. So definitely it's a very bad fails. But what we will need to do to be safe from loss and get 100% profit. My brother, everything with details I am going to discuss now. But kindly, if you are new my channel, 13.5 thousand people are subscribed this channel. So kindly, I have a request to subscribe also this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, this time the Anchor coin price will decreasing, but I hope I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming time the price will pumps up. Let's see, my friend. I will prove now to why I will tell you this. You know, experts say, my friends, to upcoming time there is a chance to Anchor coin will collaborate with a lot of companies. So it's just an only if they will collaborate, so my friends, they are investing, and if they are investing, so definitely the price will pumps up. And holders in last 7 days, my friend, you can see here every coin will pumps up in last days, my friend, of every month. But this coin were fails down, so therefore I'm 100% sure to in the start of month every coin were fails down, but this coin will pumps up. So there is 100% chances, my friends, so they will give you a profit. Please, anchor coin holder, after this information, if you already if you also do this mistake to starting selling, so you will never get a profit, my friends. Remember to, you will never get a profit. I, my friends, predicate this coin already now, but just in only, my friends, practically I also tell you, my friend, you can see at this time after dump everybody knows today will pump up. So therefore I'm 100% sure to after this dump they will pumps up. And experts said, my friends, they will collaborate with the company. So just in only if they will collaborate with Amazon, so I will give you guarantee, my friends, so they will broke all their cards and they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time. Please like video and also subscribe this channel.